Hello all, this is Ram Prasad from Ram Rambi Simple Market. Let us see the pre-market report for 20th Jan 2025. Let us see what are the macros released in dollar market and Indian market. First, let us see the dollar market. Last Friday, housing related information came in the US market, which came higher than the expected value. On top of it, 20th January means which is tomorrow, Trump is taking charge. So all the three major index, US market, Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, all these three major index rallied like anything, like all rallied from 0.8% to 1.5 percentage. So which is the clear increase. This is data related to the US market and what are the macros released in Indian aspect. Indian aspect last Friday, deposit and loan growth rate from the banking sector is released and both came a little lesser than it's basically 2 weeks data. So deposit rate as well as loan rate, which is coming, which is lesser than previous 2 weeks data. So deposit came about 9.8 percentage. 2 weeks before the same data is about 11.5 percentage, and loan grew about 11.2 from 11.5. And forex reserve, the forex reserve is also depleting because this is already we know because our Indian currencies keep increasing. RBI is taking measure to control the rupee fall. So the last week came about 625k million USD from 635k million USD, which is basically this RBI's measure to control the rupee fall. And the fourth one is the IMF released the forecast for Indian major economy in the world, like forecast how these countries will means the GDP will perform in 2025 and 2026. For India, they given the stable outlook like 2025 and 2026. Indian GDP will grow about 6.5 percentage. For US 2025 they said 2.7 percentage. 2026 it is 2.1 percentage. And for China it's 4.6 percentage in 2025 and 4.5 percentage in 2026. Eurozone like 1.4 percentage in 2026. So compared to other economy, our economy they given the stable outlook, means they didn't decrease also. They said 6.5 percentage our GDP will grow year on year for next 2 years. This is also good macro. Let us see how the market will behave tomorrow. And what is the market behavior on the Friday? So oil sector only close to positive about 2 percentage. IT sector, the market, the sectors which drag the market is the IT sector and the banking sectors. So the IT sector went down about 2 percentage. This was the market behavior on last Friday. And if you consider FII, DA data and proprietary and client data, still FII and the proprietary future index wise, still they are holding short positions. Like FIA and the proprietary trader, they make money once the market goes down. FIA short position is about 85 percentage. Like last Friday, they sold about 3,300 crores, and the DA bought about 600 crores. But still, Nifty and the Bank Nifty all are trading below the key moving averages. Like this is a 50 days exponential moving average and 200 days exponential moving average. So which is all below, means Nifty and Bank Nifty both are trading below this key moving averages. Next, let us see the key support and resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty is the clear support is at 23,000, 23,000, and resistance is at 23,500, because based on the open interest, this 23,500 in the call side, 23,000 in the put side has the huge open interest. So means that the market will be in the range bound, because upcoming weeks there is no major event till Friday. So only thing is 20th January means which is tomorrow, Trump will take charge, and everyone is keep looking for is the decision towards the tariff plan and all. Okay, this we have to keep eye on it, because every world economy is looking for his address speech. Let us see. And for bank Nifty, the clear support is at 48,000 and resistance at 49,000, because currently the range is at between this 48,000 to 49,000. The deposit growth rate and the loan growth rate, which didn't come favorable to the banking sector. So tomorrow maybe the banking sector will behave in a negative way. Let us see how it is going to behave, and how the market will so what are all the course of actions which is being scheduled in the upcoming week, which will decide market course of action. So the first thing is Indian aspect. Indian aspect, for sure, it is Q3 result season is ongoing. So Friday, HDFC is releasing the Friday, sorry, 22nd HDFC is releasing, 25th ICICI Bank is releasing the results, Q3 earning results, and HUL from FMCG sector is one of the index heavyweight from the FMCG sector. It is also releasing the result. So this is all related to the Q3 earnings season. And Friday, HSBC's service PMI, manufacturing PMI, composite PMI. This is about this industrial growth related information is about to schedule. So this is also one of the important macro which we have to keep eye on it. In between, before that, there is no major macros which will be scheduled from the Indian aspect. And from US, UK, Eurozone also, they have S&P manufacturing PMI and services PMI scheduled to release. So these are all the items we have to keep eye on it. From China side, there is no major event is being scheduled. So these are all the events which is scheduled in the upcoming weeks, which will decide market course of action. If you need this kind of sharp information, please subscribe Ram Rami Simple Market. Thanks for watching.